Sri Parashakti Vidyala CBSE Class 4th Subject Science.
Good morning. Welcome back to 4th Science online class. In today's class, we are going to learn a new lesson, how animals survive. That is your 10th lesson, how animals survive. In this lesson, we are going to learn the types of animals, where animals live, what animals eat, adaptation for protection, and animals in danger. Okay. The environment in which an animal lives is called its habitat. The environment in which an animal lives is called its habitat. As we all know, all the areas are not comfort zone. That is, the animals that cannot adapt to the changes in their environment. So the animals have some special features that makes themselves live comfortably. This is called adaptations. The animals that are not able to adapt becomes extinct. That means slowly they die. Okay, next, types of animals. There are a lot of animals to study them. They are divided into two main groups. That is, animals without backbone and animals with backbone. Animals are divided into two groups based on the absence or presence of the backbone. Okay, first one, animals without a backbone. Animals that do not have a backbone are called invertebrates. Animals that do not have a backbone are called invertebrates. For example, they are insects, mostly insects. Cockroach, worm, mosquitoes, etc. Insects have 6 legs and their body is divided into 3 parts. That is, head, thorax and abdomen. Most insects have a hard outer covering made up of a material called chitin. Most insects have a hard outer covering made up of a material called chitin. A few insects such as mosquitoes and butterflies can fly. Some insects cannot fly, but some of few insects can fly. For example, mosquitoes and butterflies. Next, animals with a backbone. Animals that have a backbone are called vertebrates. Animals without a backbone are called invertebrates. Animals with a backbone are called vertebrates. They are more advanced group of animals. They are further divided into smaller groups like fish, amphibians, reptiles, birds and mammals. Okay, first we are going to see fish. The fish has certain special features that helps it to live in water. They have gills to breathe and fins to swim. Their body is covered with scales. For example, cod, mackerel and sharkfish. Okay, next, amphibians. Animals that live on both land and in water. Animals that live both on land and in water are called amphibians. Example, frog, toad, etc. These animals, when on land, they breathe through their lungs. The amphibians breathe through their lungs when they are in land. And then they are in water, they breathe through their moist skin. Next, reptiles. Animals that crawl on the land are called reptiles. Some have legs also. Most of the animals breathe through their moist skin. For example, lizard, snake, crocodile, etc. And they reproduce by laying eggs. Their body temperature changes with a change in the temperature of their surroundings. Their body temperature changes with a change in the temperature of their surroundings. So they are called cold-blooded animals. Fish, amphibians, reptiles are cold-blooded animals. Next, birds. Birds have a light body. Their bones are very light in weight. Birds have a light body. Their bones are very light in weight and are hollow. Hollow means empty. They have only 2 legs and 2 wings. The birds have 2 legs and 2 wings. The body is covered with feathers. They have wings that help them to fly. Example, hummingbird, sparrow, eagle, crow, etc. The birds such as ostrich, kiwi and penguin are big and heavy, so they cannot fly. They are called flightless birds. Next, mammals. Mammals already you have seen in the previous lesson also. Okay, what are mammals? The animals that give birth to their young ones and feed them with their milk are called mammals. Mammals are a group of animals that give birth to their babies. Their bodies have hair and the mothers suckle their young ones. Most mammals breathe through their lungs. They have 4 limbs. Birds and mammals are warm-blooded animals. Fishes, amphibians, reptiles are cold-blooded animals, and birds and mammals are warm-blooded animals. That means the body temperature remains constant despite changes in the temperature of their surroundings. That is, the body temperature remains constant despite changes in the temperature of their surroundings. For example, for mammals, human being, elephant, horse, goat, cow, dog, etc. In today's class, we learned types of animals, animals without a backbone and animals with a backbone. Animals without a backbone, example, insects. Animals with a backbone, fish, amphibians, reptiles, birds and mammals. Okay, the remaining part will be discussed in the next class. Thank you.